Step 1. Prep the bird. For roasting, we spatchcock our birds by cutting out the backbone and flattening it like a book. Using the tail and the neck as your guide, cut down one side of the backbone and then the other side to remove it. With the heel of your hand, flatten the breast. It's optional, but we like to trim the wing tips. Makes it look a little nicer. Step 2. Season the bird. Besides cutting down on the cooking time, the other benefit of spatchcocking is the flattened surface area makes for lots of crispy skin, and you can season both sides of the bird equally, making for a really tasty bird. Step 3. Roast the bird. You'll need a shallow pan large enough to hold the bird and 3 or 4 potatoes per person cut in half. We cook our birds directly on top of potatoes. It prevents the chicken from sticking to the pan and makes the potatoes taste fantastic. Pat the hen dry and place on top of the potatoes. Roast in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes or until done. Now you know how to do it, make it your own. Add your favorite herbs or root vegetables, or dress it up with one of our favorite sauces.